Hi everyone, my name is Mike and welcome to Code Corpora, where we focus on delivering short, targeted, to-the-point coding tutorials. Today we will be discussing the input function along with a simple if statement. Here we're utilizing the input function to ask the user about the weather. We store the user's response as a string in the variable named weather. Following, we use an if statement to verify if the variable weather equates to the string rainy. If the condition stands true, which translates to the weather indeed being rainy, then the code block located within the if statement gets executed, resulting in Python printing to the console the phrase, "Take an umbrella with you." The if-else statement in Python is used for decision making. As in the previous snippet, we prompt the user to tell us about the weather. However, in this block of code, we've added an else clause after the if statement. The else clause executes when the condition in the if statement is false. In this case, if the weather is not rainy, Python will print "enjoy your day" to the console. In Python, elif is short for else if and allows us to check multiple conditions. If the condition for if is false, it checks the condition of the next elif block, and so on. Here, if the weather is rainy, the user is advised to take an umbrella. If it's sunny, the user is advised to wear sunscreen. For any other type of weather, the user is simply wished a nice day. This script exemplifies how if, elif, and else can function together to cover every possible circumstance and output appropriate advice. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It helps us know we are making valuable content and helps support the channel. Happy coding!